Hey Jeffs, welcome back. It's Lorena. Today I'm here with my May Boxycharm unboxing and two things I have to address. Number one, this big ol' sucker on my eyeball. I don't know what happened about a month and a half ago. I was plucking my brows and I don't know if I pinched myself, pinched a nerve, pulled something wrong. I don't know, but it got a little bit of a bump that swelled up and it's just been sitting there quietly minding its own business. It became a whitehead out of nowhere like a couple weeks ago and I managed to clear that out. I still had a little bump though, and then a couple days ago again I got another whitehead, cleared it out, and then I don't know if it got infected or something, but I don't want to put anything on it. Like I don't want to put any concealer, any powder, nothing. I literally have just been kind of cleaning it with a little bit of hot water with salt and just letting it do its thing. 2 days ago my eye was actually pretty swollen. Like I was like, babe, can you get me some water? Like I could barely open my eye. So I managed to get it to go down. I'm just kind of letting her chill. I've named her Lola. We're friends now, so just say hi and ignore her, okay guys? Like, I'm sorry. And number two, I normally open the box with you guys and don't pull anything out until I show you, but yesterday when we got the mail, my boyfriend was like, that's ridiculous. What's in this box? So he opened it up and was kind of judging through things. He was like, gosh, you get this every month. Really? So anyways, he already opened it up. That's why I already have the card in hand and everything. With that said, let's actually get into what's in this box though. Sorry, kind of a rambly intro, but I needed to explain those things. So yes, let's see. First off, we've got the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This says, a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Retails for $38. And I have used Cover FX primers before. I do like them quite a bit. Ooh, it looks almost like the Benefit one, the Professional. It has that kind of a look to it. Which, I'm not gonna lie, Professional is not my favorite, so hopefully it doesn't have the same formula. It's kind of a yes and a no. I don't know. It blended out nice and smoothly, though. You definitely do get a blurring effect. I can see the difference in my hands. I don't know if you guys will be able to, but I can see it. So I'll let you guys know next month how that worked out. I've used Cover FX before. I've had their mattifying one twice before. The first time I got it, I didn't really fall in love with it, so I gave it away pretty quickly. And then the second time I got it, I actually kept it and used most of the bottle. So there you have it. You change your mind on products pretty often. So this one, I haven't used this specific formula, so I'll let you guys know next month how that works out. Alright, moving along, we've got this Boxycharm matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. Okay, and this one has like a plastic thingy. So I'm just going to cut that real quick. It says it's the shade Sweetheart. Alright, and the description on this says Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss. So is it matte or a gloss? Is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. So no, it's not a gloss. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. This retails for $10. So yeah, it's a matte lip gloss. So no, it's a matte liquid lip. Like, come on guys, let's not get confused. This is a gloss, okay? If it don't shine like this, it's not a gloss. Like, it seems pretty simple. Ooh. Has like a strawberry candy kind of smell. I'm into that. Interesting. Doesn't really have the smell when you put it on, but see, it's kind of shiny, but we'll leave it on there and see if it dries down matte. It's a really pretty color though. Alright. So there we go. Alright, next, this one's been catching my eye just because I love the packaging. It looks like an old-fashioned ink pot, like from a quill pen, like Jane Eyre style, like Jane Eyre, yeah, Jane Austen, kind of like a ink kind of thing, you know. I love it. So this is from Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for a smooth application that stays in place all day. This retails for $24 and I got it in Blacklist. Okay, that's tight. I don't know about this cap. That feels kind of cheap, but I don't see anything. So, do you poke your... I don't want to poke my finger in there. Okay. We did get some brushes, so I'm going to go ahead and grab one of those. We got a trio from, my boyfriend took these out of the little wrappings yesterday. Like I said, he opened the box last night, so. This says, Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio, comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Convenient 3-in-1, used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use a brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So, this one we were looking at yesterday. Oh my god! How am I supposed to use this if I can't get it out of... Okay. See, these are kind of questionable. Just because they're so big. Like, I like the spoolie. But look at that winged liner brush. Look how big it is. Same goes with the fine tip one. It's not that fine to tip. It's pretty thick. I like the spoolie. Those are always helpful. But these two, I don't know. I feel like this might be too big. It's not fine enough. I don't know. I'll let you guys know later. But I'm going to use this one real quick to test the Pretty Vulgar. So. Oh, okay. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, see how I made a dip? You guys can see that, right? No. Good God, I can't point. There we go. Like in there, you can see almost like a fingerprint type thing. Alright, now let's see how that works. Ooh. It's creamy. Very creamy. Alright. Let's see, like, okay, even cleaning it off and trying to go this way. That's a really thick line, and that's as thin as I can get it with this brush. So I don't feel like I would use this for a liner, because those are pretty thick lines. And I tend to want a really thin cat eye, so I don't know, but I probably would use this for my lower lash line to apply eyeshadow there. So definitely going to find a use for it. Alright, and that formula, look at that. That is really nice. It was very creamy, so I'm going to tighten this lid again because you definitely don't want it drying out. So there you go. Alright, so that's the the eye trio, and then the gel liner. Then let's see, we've got another Aesthetica brush. This is a P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless face look. $27, honestly. I don't know why I sniffed that. Okay, it's synthetic, but it's not the softest. It's a little scratchy. And this shape, I normally, like, I don't use this shape very often. So, I don't know. It feels soft enough, but I don't know if I'm gonna love it. So, there you have it, 27 bucks. And last but not least, we've got a palette. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. This retails for $30. 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This one, obviously, my boyfriend opened last night as well. It does have a nice big size mirror. And then it has 4 shades here. And almost like a knockoff Too Faced chocolate bar kind of scent to them. And they look really nice, but I'm not going to touch them because A, I don't contour highlight my face that much. I highlight, I don't usually contour. And B, these are really deep. I'm pretty fair, like fair to the medium side of the spectrum. Definitely on the paler side though. And I mean, girl, I'm not going down my face. Like, let's just be real. Even this is a bit deep. So I'm going to offer this to a member of my family who has a much richer skin tone than I do, and see if it'll work for them, because it's just not going to suit my lifestyle. But that is a $30 palette. So all said, we got the $30 palette, the Cover FX primer for $38, which is about $68. The ink gel liner is $24, so that's $80. We were at $88, $89, $90, $92. Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio is $45, so that's $137. $27 more for the face brush. I got lost. $137 was that? Yeah. $150. $164. And then we've got to the $10 liquid lip gloss, matte liquid lip gloss for $10. So what is it, like $170 worth of product in this month's box? So not too shabby, guys. I'm definitely not going to be complaining about that. And for the record, they both dried down pretty matte. I'm impressed. For sure. That lip color is so pretty. So yeah, it's not too bad for this month's box. Now for last month's box update real quick, I have the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow. This one, I'm kind of on the fence about. I'm going to be able to use it, but would I purchase it myself? No, not really. It's okay. It's pretty thick though. You have to find a way to make it work. I haven't tried it on my lids, but I did try it on my face. I prefer actually kind of smoothing it on the Beauty Blender, the L'Oreal Beauty Blender dupe, and just kind of patting it into my skin. I feel like that was the best application that I could get. Didn't really like it with my finger or a brush. This just kind of worked better. So I was able to use it, but I really wouldn't purchase it, and I wouldn't mix it with my foundation. It was just okay. It's really glittery, and that's kind of like for me. So it's alright. I don't recommend it though. Next, we've got the Brow Gal brow mascara, tinted brow gel, whatever you want to call it. I really like this. It's all I have on my brows today. I used the tip to kind of fill in whatever areas I needed and just kind of brushed through to keep everything in place. And I love the Brow Gal, so this one I was really glad to get. I'm in the shade Brown 2. I think they did a pretty decent job in matching me because that works perfectly. So there you go. I really like that. That one I can definitely see myself reaching for over and over and over. We've got the lip gloss. This is an actual gloss from Adele, and this one I've used Ades. This one I've used so many times. I'm wearing it right now. I've used it with a ton of different lip liners. I mean, at least a good 4. I have them here. I've used it with this one, which is what I'm wearing today. This is from Essence, the Honeyberry. And you wouldn't really look at this and say, wow, that goes together. But this, as a base, just adds a nice brightness and pinkness to it. This is definitely more of like a brownie peach kind of nude, but if you add a pink liner underneath, it just kind of changes the shade. I did the same with this NYX lip pencil. It's a really bright pink, and again, I got a really nice pinky tone to it. I've used it with MAC's Stone lip liner, and I love how deep of a nude it became. So I've used it with a variety of different lip liners, and I love it. I've used it by itself, and it works well. I've used it with lip colors, like an actual lipstick, and just a little bit of this in the center. Worked really nicely. It does stay throughout the day. It does transfer, of course, because it's a gloss, but overall, 9 out of 10. I really like this. It's not a sticky, disgusting gloss either. Like, not the type that you're like trying to open your lips. Like, no, it's just a comfy gloss. So alright, then the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. This one I did a video on. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it linked down below. I did a first impressions review / demo, and I really like this. Since that video, I actually went ahead and used it with the more goldy tones. So I did this in the crease again, then I went in with this to deepen that. I used a little bit of this, and then I used this one all over my lid with that in the outer corner, and I really liked the way that color combo came out. So I've used this twice now, and I really like it. I'm looking forward to playing with it some more in the future, but if you want my full thoughts, I will leave a link to the video down below. And last but not least, we have the face mask from Dr. Brandt. This was the one that I was most excited about last month, and to be perfectly honest, I love it. Let's just get that out of the way. I love the formula. I feel like it works really nicely. I love the cooling sensation. I like the results that I get with it. But for $40-something, this came with almost no product. So for that reason, I'm not going to purchase this because I've gotten like 4 use out of it, and I feel like it's already more than half empty. Like, I really have to squeeze a ton to get product out of it now, and it's kind of like, wait, how much would you pay for how much? Like, it's supposed to be an ounce, but I don't think my bottle came completely full. Maybe I just got a faulty package, but if that's all you get for that price tag, I can't really justify that. There's a really good cooling mask from Neutrogena that I love that comes with way more product at a fraction of the price. I want to say that one's like $6, and this one is like $42, $45, somewhere in that price range. That one I'll use for months. This one, it's been a month and I'm almost out of. So, and again, like, it's not like I use this every night. I think I got like 4 uses so far, and for that reason, I'm like, I love you, but I'm gonna pay for you. So that's it. That is this month's Boxycharm and the update from last month. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Have you used your products? Have you tried them? The ones from this month? Do you like the ones you got last month? Just let me know your thoughts down there. And of course, help a girl out by subscribing, clicking the like button, and the little notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks so much for watching though. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.